Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Lux. In my first video, I'm going to show you how I make chimichurri sauce. It's going to give your next dish a nice herb and spicy flavor. Chimichurri sauce is like a condiment for grilled meat and can also be used in cooking, originating from Argentina and Uruguay. All the measurements of this recipe will be in the description below. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like what you see, hit that like button and turn on the notifications to be updated for my next series of recipes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Fresh parsley, which will bring a great brightness of flavor. You will need to mince this very finely. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Chillies. Here, I'm using green chilies. You can also use red. If none on hand, you can also substitute with red chili flakes. Red wine vinegar, which helps give the sauce some tang. Red wine vinegar goes well in vinaigrettes and marinades. For sauces like this, you will not require a lot. To balance the tanginess of the red wine vinegar, you will need olive oil. Here, I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil has a bitterness flavor, and for this sauce, it helps marry all the flavors together. You will also need salt, pepper, and dry oregano. Now let's get started. Thank you for watching. In my next videos, I'll be showing you what dishes I use this chimichurri sauce for. Turn on those notifications and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. See you soon!